Okay, very good morning, everyone. So, till yesterday, we have learned about how to arrange the decimal number, how to compare the decimal number, which is less or which is greater, or if I told you to arrange in ascending or descending order, how we can arrange the decimal number in ascending and descending order. So, special thing which you need to take care is if any decimal number is not in equivalent, then you have to make the decimal number equivalent first, and then only you can compare, right? So most important thing is that, and except that, if anyone having any doubts in the particular exercise, whatever we have learned till now, I think that is 9.3. So up to 9.3, if anyone having any doubts, you please quickly tell me. So till then I am once revising about the equivalent fractions. Okay. So what the equivalent decimal is, decimal. So what the equivalent decimals means, that I am explaining till then once again. So if anyone having any doubts in any particular topic or any particular questions of the exercise, you just tell me the exercise number with the question number. So question number and exercise number quickly write in chat, in message, that you have doubts in this particular questions of this exercise. Okay, or just you have write exercise number and question number, that's all. So equivalent decimal means you have to keep the number of the digit after decimal same. मतलब decimal के बाद का जितने भी digit होगा उसको सिर्फ आपको same रखने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैसे, जैसे कि हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स है जिसको अगर हम बोलते हैं उसको इक्विवेलेंट में लिखना है, या हाउ कैन वी राइट इन इक्विवेलेंट नंबर. सो फॉर दैट वी आर टेकिंग सम एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल्स हियर one is decimal 7, another is decimal 70, another is decimal 700. So here what is the basic thing is, you can put after the digit of the decimal 0 as much as you want, as much as required. So here in this number we have 2 zeros after the digit. So in this also, this one also you can write like decimal 700. So 20 you can add here. And in this also, how many 0 you have to add to make the equivalent of this? 10, because 10 already we have. So 10 we can add. तो यहाँ पे अगर ऐड करेंगे तो ये भी 700 decimal 700 हो जाएगा. एंड द सेम वे in this we will not do any changes, so this will be as it is, decimal 700. So now these all numbers are in equivalent, right? तो इसी तरह से कुछ और अगर numbers हमारे पास रहता है, for the comparison first we will write all the decimal number like this. तो अगर इस तरह से कुछ भी रहता है तो हम लोग सबसे पहले लिखेंगे. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपको हम कंपेयर करने के लिए दे रहे हैं 2 decimal 753, then 4 decimal 25, then 25 decimal 6. ओके, सो ये 3 नंबर हमने आपको कंपेयर करने के लिए दिया है. अब ये सारे डेसिमल जो है ये इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है, या ये मतलब सेम ये में नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू टू कंपेयर दिस इज, आप ऐसा नहीं सोच सकते हो कि यहाँ पे हमारे 4 डिजिट है और यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट है और यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट है तो दिस विल बी द ग्रेटेस्ट वन. that cannot be possible, because डेसिमल के पहले जो भी डिजिट्स होता है इट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दैट only. So यहाँ पे after decimal we have 3 digit, but here we have only after decimal 2 digits, so you have to make 3 digit here also. For that we can give one more 0 after the decimal. So here the number will be, new numbers will be formed. This will be as it is 2 decimal 753, and this will be 4 decimal 250, यहाँ पे हम एक 0 ऐड किए, so that this is also after decimal 3 digit. And here also we can, how many 0 we have to add? So 2, 5, decimal 6 and 20 we have to add, because 3 digits we have to make after the decimal. So now after the decimal, in all the numbers 3 digits are there, and now you can compare these all, which one is greater and which one is smaller. That means you can arrange either in ascending or descending order. तो यहाँ पे ascending और descending order में अगर मान लेते हैं, if it is asking to arrange in ascending order, it is already arranged in ascending order, because this is the smallest number which we have, then greatest, and this is then greater, and this is the greatest one, right? After that, if it is asking to arrange in descending order, then we will write the greatest number first. This is in ascending order, increasing order, and descending means decreasing order. So we can arrange in decreasing order also. Okay, so quickly tell me till now, till you have time, अभी भी आपके पास टाइम है, अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन में किसी को डाउट्स है, जल्दी से एक्सरसाइज नंबर और क्वेश्चन नंबर बता दें, ठीक है? तो जस्ट ऑपोजिट साइड से हो जाएगा अगर डिसेंडिंग डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में करेंगे तो, ठीक है? दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज व्हिच इज 9.3 व्हिच वी हैव लर्न अबाउट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक व्हिच वी हैव इज ऑल अबाउट द एडिशन ऑफ डेसिमल. तो एडिशन ऑफ डेसिमल इज आल्सो इजी, बट फॉर दैट आल्सो टू ऐड 2 or 3 decimal number, first you have to write in equivalent decimal. So that is why I have revised this topic once again. So let us learn the next topic which we have is the addition of decimal number. Addition and subtractions of decimal number especially we have. So both are same. If you understand addition, then you can do the subtractions also very easily. Okay. So topic is addition of decimal number or addition of simple decimals. So how can we add the decimal? For example, 2 decimals number is here. One is decimal 8, or question like this कि add decimal 8 and decimal 6. तो अगर इस तरह से रहे तो very simply we can add as like the normal addition. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. So decimal 14, decimal 14 will be the, and sorry, but here you have to keep in mind, see what is the process. If you add this, decimal 8 is here and decimal 6 is here, so before 1 digit decimal is here. So here if you write decimal 14, decimal 14 will be wrong. Why decimal 14 will be wrong? If you add these two, so 6 plus 8 is equal to how much? 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So in the sum is the 14, but here in both the whatever we are adding in both, we have before 1 digit decimal. So we will put the decimal before 1 digit. That means 1 decimal 4 will be the correct answer, right? Why this? Because we know here decimal 8 means 8 tenths, right? 8 by 10. So decimal 8 means 8 by 10 or 8 tenths. So here it is 8 tenths, and decimal 6 means 6 by 10, so 6 tenths. So if you add 8 tenths and 6 tenths, then it will be 14 tenths, right? So it will be 14 tenths. So 14 tenths. So 14 tenths means 14 by 10 or 4 ones and 4 tenths. So 14 tenths means 1 ones and 4 tenths. So 1 ones and 4 tenths means 1 decimal 4. So this is what actually it is. You have to do is, okay. So very simply, this is how you can find the sum of 2 decimal number, right? So now if I am giving one sum, so quickly do by yourself this sum and tell me the answer. Add 2.5 and 1.3. So quickly do this sum and tell me the answer. जल्दी से इसको ऐड करके आंसर बताओ. Okay, I am getting the answers. 38, 3.8 like this. So let us see. So 2 decimal 5 and 1 decimal 3. So this what we have to add is. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. And before 1 digit decimal, so before 1 digit decimal. So therefore the sum will be, therefore 2 decimal 5 plus 1 decimal 3 will be 3 decimal 8. So whoever answer is 3 decimal 8 is the correct answer. तो जिन्होंने भी आंसर 3 decimal 8 लिखा है या आया है, his answer is the absolutely correct. Okay, so very simply we'll do the decimal addition like this. The problem you may face with the number, like if unlike decimals are there, that means suppose this type of number if it is there, then how we can add, that we will see. So the next we are seeing something different types of addition of decimal number. Okay, so suppose find, sometime it is asked like find the sum also. So find the sum. So it is, the first one is 2 decimal 754 plus 42 decimal 14 plus 123 decimal 2. So these are the three decimal number which it is given and you have to add. So very simply here you have to first make all the decimal number in like decimals. Okay, आपको इसको like में convert करना है पहले. So how we can do, we have learned here before this. So 2 decimal 754 is the most, I mean after that 3 digit, after decimal 3 digits which we have, then in this we have 2 digits, so 10 will put, so 42 decimal 140 it will be, and then this will be 123 decimal 200. 20 why you have put it, because to make this all in equivalent decimals, right? So now we'll add this. Okay, so now we will add this. So here let us add. So 2 decimal 754, then 0 4 1 decimal 2 4, then here 0 0 2 decimal 3 2 1. So this is the most important thing which you need to keep in mind, that these all decimals should be in a line or in a particular place, right? So now you just add it. So this is 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, this is 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 0, 1 carry. So 1 carry here, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8, right? And here 4 plus 2 is 6 and here 1. Okay, so 4 9 0 5 6 7 8 4 6 1. So 168 decimal 094 is coming the sum. So here this is equal to 168 decimal 094. So this is the required sum. Okay, so this is how very simply you can find the sum. इस तरह से कोई भी नंबर रहता है, it may be like or unlike or however, you can very simply add or you can very simply find the sum. So this is all about the exercise 9.4. The rest of all questions are based on this concept only. So I hope you can able to do the questions of this exercise wherein it is asking either to add or find the sum. So add means also same, you have to find the sum only, and find the sum means you have to add only. Okay, so let us discuss or let us see some questions from the exercise. So first question it is asking related to the fill in the blanks. So decimal 4, 00, decimal 40 and decimal 4 are dash decimal. So these all are in which decimal? We have learned in equivalent decimal, right? After then we put 0 to make the same number of digit after the dash point, that is as like after the dash point. Which point? After the decimal point or after the numbers, right? So यहाँ पे अगर मान लीजिए एक नंबर है 81, ओके, और एक नंबर है, तो इसको अगर हमें 3 डिजिट का डेसिमल प्लेस में लिखना है और इक्विवेलेंट नंबर लिखना है, तो हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं 810, और हम लोग ये भी लिख सकते हैं इसको डेसिमल 8100. So these all are in equivalent fractions. So you can write this as like this also, this as like this also, this as like this also, and this as like this also. So whatever is the requirement, as per the requirement we can write. After then which we have is the sum only, third one, you have to find the sum. So it's very easy, but still maybe some of you become confused here. So 5.8 plus you have to do 6.5, and you have to tell what is the sum. So very simply we will add 5 plus 8 is how much? 8 plus 5 is 13, right? So 13 is 3, 1 carry. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so 12. And before one digit decimal, here also, so before one digit we put decimal. So 12.3 will be the sum. 12.3 will be the total sum. Okay, and this is how very simply you can do the all questions of question number 2 also, because it is already arranged also. So ये simply आप लोग बना सकते हो, arrange भी किया हुआ है, you no need to arrange also. So do you all have any doubts in this exercise? Quickly once go through the exercise 9.4 and tell if any questions from the exercise which you not understood or which you think we should revise. जल्दी से exercise 9 point पे go through करिए, और कोई भी ऐसा अगर क्वेश्चन है जो आपको लगता है which we should discuss, you just quickly tell. There are lots of space which we have in this exercise, so you can do this exercise in your book also. So book में भी space है, book में आप बना सकते हो, ठीक है? But neat and clean, it should be properly written, it should be visible. Okay. After then which we have is, after the addition we have is subtraction. तो अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है, you can write yes you understood. अगर नहीं समझ में आया, quickly tell me that you have not understood. Okay. Why Abhishek Raj has logged in from phone with the 2 phone? Abhishek Raj. Okay. So next topic which we have is the subtraction. So just instead of addition, it is now subtraction. So subtraction of decimal now, which is 9.5. Okay, so this is also nothing is like same as like the normal subtraction only. The thing is you just keep into mind that as much as before the decimal, that much before decimal you have to put after the difference also. So for example here, first question is asking to subtract decimal 8 from 2.7. So you have to subtract decimal 8 from 2.7. So how you will subtract? So very simply we'll do the rough work here, or first you will write 2.7 minus decimal 8 is equal to how much? You have to find out, right? So here we'll do this rough work. So first thing is here before decimal there is no any number, you can put 0 before decimal. So 2.7 is there and 0.8 is here. Now you just subtract it. So how much? 8 plus 9 is 7, right? Then here this will be 1, show 1. So 1 decimal 9 is coming the difference. So very simply the answer will be 1 decimal 9. So this is how you can do the subtractions also, about which we will discuss in our next class in details. We have done slightly introductions about the subtractions, right? So today's classwork are the addition of decimals, and homework is to complete exercise 9.4. So your homework is to do exercise 9.4 and your classwork was addition of decimals. If anyone having any doubts in addition of decimal, you are welcome to ask quickly. If you don't have doubts, you can just confirm that you don't have doubts. Okay, Deepika, no. Anuraj, no. Okay. So it's very easy chapter. Nothing is here. Just addition, subtractions, multiplication. That much only. And simply the decimal is there. That's all. So you have to keep in mind the decimal and especially the how to convert unlike decimals to the like one. And then how can we find the operations related to the decimals. That's all. Okay, so if you understood the basic concept very easily, you can solve all the questions. And whenever, whatever doubts you feel, you can ask anytime. We'll discuss again. And I don't think any problems will be there in addition and subtractions. Nothing, any word problems is also not there. So we'll see in miscellaneous exercise or in some additional questions if the word problems are all there. So that's all for today. Okay. No. Okay, Abhishek, no. Anuraj, Harsraj, no. Okay, then thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye-bye.